Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another Nature Essentials review for you today. If you watch my previous video, which I will put the link down below for those who haven't seen it yet, you'll see that I'm very much in love and satisfied with their lip and cheek mousse. So today I will be reviewing their organic hydrating matte lipstick. It comes in a bamboo design container, which is very unique. There. This is 799 pesos only. I'll put on the description box below their Facebook and Instagram accounts so you can check what other products they offer. Nature Essentials Organic Hydrating Matte Lipstick is highly pigmented, intensely rich in moisture, long-lasting matte finish lipstick that smoothly glides on lips. It is also free from paraben, lead, mercury, triclosan, SLS, and other harmful ingredients that mostly used in lipsticks. And at the bottom part, you'll see the shades. So this is Gorgeous Georgia. Gorgeous Georgia is like a pink brownish shade that is perfect for everyday use and perfect match for your smoky eye. Next is Sweet Charm. Sweet Charm is like nude with a hint of peach or coral shade. It's also perfect for everyday use, and I can see freshness on the face with this color. Last is Luscious Liz. If you're looking for a more bolder shade, then this one is perfect for you. Actually, this is like a dupe for MAC Rebel. This is Nature Essentials Luscious Liz, and this one is MAC Rebel. See? They almost have the same shade. Okay, so my final thought on this, given that it is a matte lipstick, it's very hydrating. I don't have any trouble gliding it on my lips, and the finish is very smooth. They have 7 shades, and the color is buildable, so you can play or combine any colors that you like. So that's it for today. Go ahead and check Nature Essentials Facebook and Instagram account. See you on my next video. Bye!